Okay, in this segment we're going to go through a good exercise for bending the knee. So this can be done every time you're sitting in the chair in hospital and also when you go home. So Heather, let's go through an exercise to get your knee bending as much as possible. Okay, so what I'm going to get you to do first, once you're nice and comfortable sitting in the chair, I'm going to get you to bring your foot back underneath you as much as you can. Okay, so you want to go to the point where you feel it stretching as far as you can. Hold it there and just give yourself a bit of a stretch, okay? Couple of seconds. And then what I want you to do is plant your foot on the ground so it's nice and firm, so it's not going to move anywhere. And then you're going to use your arms on the chair to lift your bottom up just a little bit and come forwards, and then sit yourself down and feel that stretch there. So take a couple of seconds to feel the stretch, and then you can bring your leg forwards and shuffle yourself back. Perfect. And give yourself a breather. So it's perfectly fine to bend the knee as much as you can tolerate. You're just stretching the scar tissue and getting the muscles moving, okay? The knee is safe to bend as far as you can manage. So we're going to do that again. So bring your foot back as far as you can. Once it's gone as far as you can on its own, make sure you plant your foot down so it's not going to move. Use your arms, lift your bottom, come forwards, and then sit down. Good. Feel that stretch for a couple of seconds, and then let your leg come forwards. Now, I'd recommend doing that between 3 and 5 times in a row. You're better off doing small amounts more frequently than doing too much in one go and making yourself really sore. So that's your first technique. We'll go through another technique as well. You'll prefer one over the other, so I recommend doing whichever one you find more effective. Okay, so sit yourself back in the chair so you're nice and supported and comfortable. So what I want you to do now is bring your foot back as far as you can, so you bend your knee as much as you can on its own. Then I'm going to get you to use your left leg in front of your right one. Good. Now I want you to use your left leg to push your right foot back as far as you can manage. Lovely. Hold it there for a couple of seconds. Give yourself a stretch. Now I want you to bring your leg forwards just a little bit to offload the stretch. Good. Have a couple of seconds break. Now I'm going to get you to do that again. So bring your left leg in front, push it back as far as you can manage, and this time you should go a little bit further than you did the first time. That's good. Hold it for a couple of seconds, up to 10 seconds if you can manage. And then you're going to do that one more time, so 3 times in a row. So come forwards just a little bit. You don't want to go all the way out, just a little bit. Good. And now cross over and slide back as far as you can for the final time. Good. So you want to make sure you're always going to the point where you can feel it stretching. And make sure you hold it for a couple of seconds at least. Good. And then slide forwards and give yourself a rest.